First one we have car Popit. Welcome to my channel. Today is a new video and a new day for all of us to enjoy. So today's video is going to be Popits. And today I have my magic bag right beside me. And as you can see, it is empty. Oh no! Did the magic bag made it disappear? Oh no, it's still empty. Oh! Found it! Where did you go? It disappeared by itself. And as you can see, it's a back Popit. This back Popit is humongous. You can take it anywhere with you. You can put some snacks in it and some drinks inside. And it has eyes in the little circle holes too. And as you can see, you can also pop it like a usual Popit. You can either pop it on the inside or pop it on the outside like this. All you have to do is flick your hand just like this. Ta-da! And it's very easy to open. It's like a mouth opening and then closing again. It's so tie-dye and I love it so much, and it's huge. It's almost like the size of my head. Alright, let's move on. Since my magic bag is empty, I'm going to see what's inside this tie-dye bag. Since I feel something's inside. What could be the mystery? Let's find out. Whee! Fidget toys. First one we have car Popits. This car Popit is very enjoyable for you to play. The fastest way to pop it is basically to slide your fingers just like that. And the good side as always, and the bad side. The bad side is always the part where it's hard to pop, and the good side is the part where it's always easy to pop. Alright everyone, do you think we should sing a song? Let's do it! Do-do-do-do-do-do-do-do. I am a car walking, wandering around the street. I like to go up, I like to go down, I like to go straight and all around. I'm a car, do-do-do-do. I'm a car, do-do-do-do. I have wheels and I have windows to see. I always like to travel around the street. And I'm a car. I'm driving around in day and night. And I'm adventurous and excited to go around the street. Good job singing along with me, you guys. Good singing. This is a really good car Popit. And it's also tie-dye, as you guys can see. It has purple and it also has light purple, turquoise, dark green, and my favorite color, which is yellow. Alright, let's move on. Alright, let's see what's in my tie-dye bag. And I can't wait. Oh, what's gonna be inside? Wow! It's a simple dimple. So this is basically not a Popit, but it is still a fidget toy. It comes with the purple keychain and it's blue and green. I love the color blue because it represents the water, like oceans, seas, or lakes. And green represent trees and nature, and I love both of them. And the color blue and green are also my favorites. And when you put it together, it pops. Good side, bad side. To be honest, I actually like the bad side because it's very stress relief. So it's like you're playing a video game, but it's actually a simple dimple. Alright, let's move on. This is my tie-dye bag. It's almost like my magic bag, but it's tie-dye. Alright, let's move on to our last but not least, Popit. What's it gonna be? Wow, this is so adorable. This is so cute. It's the tiniest Popit I've ever had in my collection. Though the wheels don't have poppets, but it's still nice. Sometimes I like to take my thumb and then imagine there's a Popit there, but there's actually not. But it's really, really nice and stress relief. It's also tie-dye, you know. It's orange, yellow, and blue. Blue and yellow, as always, are my favorite colors. But my main favorite color is yellow. This is a cool car Popit, don't you think? This is the bad side, as always. And the good side. The good side is pretty loud. Alright everyone, I hope you enjoyed today's video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Goodbye everyone. I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye!